Hello everyone, welcome to a new video where we learn how to install Premast Plus in PowerPoint for Windows users. First, in PowerPoint, you will click on Insert at the tools bar, then choose Get Add-ins, search for Premast Plus, and once you find it, click on Add, Continue, and here you are, Premast Plus installed in your PowerPoint on Windows. All you have to do is sign in if you already have an account or sign up if you are creating a new one. One last thing guys, it's important to check your PowerPoint version before installing. If you are using Office on Windows, the minimum version to use is 1810 or later, and the recommended one to have the full potential of Premast Plus is version 2011. You will find a link in the description below telling you how to know the version of your PowerPoint. And that's it guys. Enjoy using Premast Plus and see you in another video.